So welcome to another video as part of our Microsoft tutorial series. In this video, we're going to see how you can track changes and use comments in Microsoft Word. So to do this, you in your tab, Microsoft tabs here, click on Review. After clicking Review, head over to Track Changes. You can see it here, Track Changes. To click it, you can see the Track Changes and click it to put it on. So to know whether this is working, there are two ways you can do it. You can either delete a word. Let's delete this feature for all. You can see the changes has been highlighted and this thing. Then another way is that you can type child goals. So these are the changes that have been a deleted words. When track changes is selected, there will be a cost line on it. While a typed word that is added to a document, to an essay, you will see it will be highlighted in red, underlined. So the first one, feature for, is a sign of a word that was deleted. The other one, the child goes up, is a sign of a underlined, is a sign of a word sentence rather that was added. So these are the way you can track changes. So the other part, to add comments. To add comments is still under the same tab, under the same review here. Here you click on these are new comment. To add comment, you just have to come here, highlight the particular text, then click on new comment. And this is where you now add your word to it, like make, let's just wait, give additional reference. So that's for that. Then so you can either choose these changes. These changes we just made to this document, this essay. You can either accept it. You can choose to accept it. You can accept and move to the next. But you can also choose to reject it. You can reject the changes. When you click reject, it disappears. You can see. So that's it. You can either accept or reject it. That's how you can track changes and use comments in Microsoft Word. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe to our videos. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos. Thank you.